Bright Bite.
Hey champ, ready to learn one of the coolest grown-up money secrets ever? What's a credit card? It's like a magic trick for grown-ups. It lets you buy something now, even if you don't have the money right away. But here's the catch. The bank pays first and the grown-up promises to pay them back later. It's not free money. If they don't pay on time, they owe extra. That's called interest, and it makes your piggy bank very sad. Where do people use credit cards? Almost everywhere. Grocery stores, restaurants, online shops, even to book trips. When do they use it? When they're low on cash or want to collect rewards like cashback or points. Why do they use it? Because it's quick, easy, and sometimes even rewarding. Who uses it? Grown-ups today and you someday, when you're older and ready. But the real trick is being responsible with it. So, tell me, if you had a credit card, what would you swipe it for? Pizza? Books? A shiny new bike? Grab a pen and write down your dream list, and don't forget to tell us in the comments. Want to learn more cool money stuff? Until next time, spend smart, pay back, and stay awesome, Money Champ. Bye-bye!